bounds.
Hey guys, Aiden here from Everything Code, and this is the first episode of the game tutorial series in Batch. So, first of all, I'm just gonna create some file and call it, I don't know, game. I know, like, I think it's like the fourth time I said it. Super original name. Now, just create a batch file. And then call it game. Once again, super original name. And then just delete everything here, and then just title, game. I know. Super original name. Now you're gonna click the screen and say, I don't know, welcome new player. And this game is gonna be sort of like this game. And, you can quickly change the size if you want to. I recommend 72 right here. Then just ready full screen it. So, I don't know, it might be like this game. It was quite hard to create this walking engine. I don't know. Let's just see how it turns out. So we close. And now in here, we say, you guys should know what this means. I'll quickly explain it afterwards. Always add an exit function. It seems quite useless at times because you can just close, but it's just convenient. Here you can say input, and then if you don't understand this and I don't really explain it that well, just go back, watch a couple of episodes of my batch tutorial series. You should learn quite a bit from that. And then here we're going to go to load game. And here we don't have to go anywhere, we just exit. And we don't need to say, are you sure or anything, because they haven't really made any changes. So it doesn't matter if they leave, no data will be lost. Now here we just say, go back up to the top. You can name this anything you want. Top. Okay, so basically there was quite a lot of advanced code here, but set the title to game, and that's this thing at the top that says, I don't know, game notepad. You can change that. Top is just a marker, so this says it's a marker, and this says this is what it's named. Close the screen, just says hi, blah 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 blah, or does all that. This sets, and then the switch for user input equals, and then that's what it's going to say. And then it's just doing a bit of conditional logic, say if this is blah blah blah, if you say this, the blah blah blah, and then it just goes back up to here and asks you again if you don't enter 1, 2, or 3. So let's see how this works. So if we say exit, closes. If we say new game, it closes because there's no marker. It basically just crashed. Something with load game. But if we enter 4 or something like that, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hashtag, it all doesn't do anything, it just resets. But if you try to, well, not SQL injection, but sort of the same thing, I call it batch injection, but if you try to do something like set gold equals 100, it crashes, because it doesn't allow batch code, and that's quite a hard error to handle. Maybe we'll get into that one episode, I don't know. But now we're gonna create a new game. I'm gonna say, what's you can say that if you want. I'm just gonna say what's your name. So because I don't speak pirate, dear. Then once again you're just gonna take input from the player, and then you're gonna, I don't know, close the screen and then say, so your name is I don't know. So your name is, oops, input. There. By the way, this will be quite hard if you don't have much experience with batching. I would recommend watching the batch tutorial series up to like episode 8 before you try this. Because I'm gonna be sort of breezing across this. I'll be explaining things here and there, but besides that, I'm just gonna write the code. I might have a download in the description somewhere if I remember. Hopefully I will. So now this is just gonna pause to null, and then that's just going to pause until you click something, and this send to null just makes it so it doesn't say click any key to continue. Then we're going to go to main game or something. I'll just call it menu. When this happens, though, you want to set some variables like gold, level, and why do I keep making a mistake? XP and XP max, which is basically how high you need to get before you level up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Now you're going to just have a nice, oops. You're gonna have a nice little line. And here's what I do. I just take this, copy that, and then I just say that. So they're equal in length. I don't know. Then you're gonna say name, and then you're going to say here name. Oops, this is supposed to be name. So then I think you should say level here. I don't know. Actually, no. I think we should just try to space it out a bit. So level, and then just type in level. And then after that, I think XP should go there. So XP out of XP max. You know what I forgot? The most important thing. Health. You guys are probably screaming at the camera. Health equals 100, and do we have a health max? I guess as you level up, you should get a higher health max, but for now on it will be 100. Well, for now. Then we should have just, it says how much HP you have, so health, and then out of health max. So this is really just the stats. Gold. We need that. Gold. That's pretty much it. And now here you just say, fight, shop, save, save game. And now here we should have, I don't think we really need that much else for now. And here we're just gonna have an input bar, so we can just type in stuff in. Why am I typing so fast today? And then we'll just test this. New game, and oops, we forgot to add CLS. Aiden, oops, and then so your name is Aiden, blah blah blah. We need to add a CLS, but yeah. Thank you for watching this first video of, what should it be called? Game Tutorial Maker Series, whatever. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more like this.